guys, welcome back to Eat Your Kappa with me, Nambie. In today's video, I am going to make a very simple dish that we normally make in our home, and there's no traditional tag to this dish. This is how we make it at home. And for this dish, we're going to be requiring our food comprises of ingredients that are available and grown in our backyard. As you can see, we have turmeric growing right behind me. We have taros all over the backyard. We have bananas. We have ginger growing over there in that mountain. We have squashes. We have mangoes. We have vegetables like mustard greens, cabbages, onions, chilies, and tomatoes. We have almost everything, and we depend on the market for very few things. The dish that I'm going to make is a very simple and rustic dish wherein I'm going to use pork and boil it with some squash and few other ingredients. Let's get some more of these squashes. The ingredients required to make this dish are pre-cooked pork. I'm making use of the fried pork that was a leftover from the Christmas feast. You can make use of pre-boiled pork. 3 medium-sized squashes that has been peeled and cut into large sizes. 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. 1 medium-sized onion sliced. Salt to taste. 1-inch piece of ginger. And some fresh chilies. Now what we need to do is add all of the ingredients into the pot. Add about 2.5 cups of water, but remember not to add the meat because the meat is already cooked soft. Otherwise, if you cook it for too long, it will disintegrate. Let's see if the squash is cooked. We'll give it some more time. Looks like the squash is nicely done. Now let's add in the pork and allow it to cook for another 5 minutes. Adjust the seasoning as per your taste, and let's take it off the stove. It looks ready. You can enjoy this dish as a side with your meals. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next episode with more amazing home recipes. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.